Hey everyone, it's Rob with Rob Finds Treasure, and we're staying hot on the nickels because my last box, I guess my last $160, that video I did for $160 in nickels, I got 2 silvers and 2 buffaloes and a ton of Jeffersons. We're still on a quest for 4 different nickels that we still need for the collection. We need a 38S, we need a 39D, we need a 43D, and we need a 50D. That's what we need to complete the Early Jefferson set, and then a handful of nickels, Buffalo nickels as well. So I cracked open the box. Good news is, at least on this side, well, I guess if it's on this side, it's on both sides, but it is definitely circulated nickels. Got kind of an old one right here. I say kind of. It's definitely old. It's probably going to be a 40s or 50s nickel for sure. And what I'm going to do first, though, we're going to flip this box around, take a look at the other side. Hey, guess what? They're circulated on this side. That's weird. Just kidding. But anyway, we got another really early one here. A couple of early ones showing. So this could be a pretty good box. No crazy enders. I'd love to find a buffalo, a silver, one of the 4 nickels I need, or even the infamous V nickel that I'm destined never to find. Wow. Hopefully not destined. All right, let's get them back in the box, and let's get them hunted. Unbelievable, guys. I just hunted $500 in dimes, couldn't find a silver. Roll 5, laid them out, and I see it peeking. Look at that. We already know it looks like a Philadelphia mint. Yep. 44p, 35% silver already. Roll 19, guys, and other than a silver and a handful of 50s, that's all we found so far in this box. But look at this. It's a 1942. It's not a silver, you can tell by the front, and it's a Philadelphia. So, we got a 42 and a 44. That's a pretty good sign. Let's go find some more. Roll 22, guys, got our second 40s other than the silver, and it's a 1947 S. You know what? That's not a bad coin. I think there's less than 25 or 30 million minted of those, so we will take it. Roll 24, guys, and we got a 40s nickel, and this one looks pretty dang good. That's a 46. And it's a 46S. And it looks really nice. If my memory serves me correctly, a 46S only has maybe 12 to 15 million minted. I'll have to check the records, but I think it's one of the lower minted nickels other than the early 50s. Wow. And it's in good shape. So that's a 47 and a 46S within a few rolls, and both are not in bad shape. Interesting. Roll 27, guys. Got a 40s nickel here, and this one's a 41. 41D. Oldest of the box, 4th from the 40s, not including the silver. Roll 30, guys, and this is the one that I said had that old ender, and sure enough, we got a 46. 46 Philly. We'll take it. Not as nice as the other 46 San Francisco, but hey, it's a 40s nickel. Roll 36, guys, and we do have an ender here, a 1940. Let's crack into this roll and see what else might be in there as well. Well, the ender is a 1940. It's pretty toasty. Roll 40, guys, and it's as ugly as all can be. But look at this. Another 42 nickel. Obviously, it's not silver. Been nice if there would have been a mint mark above the Monticello for an air, or a variety. But you know what? Looks like it has no mint mark. So it's a 42p. I'll take it. I mean, I like finding those coins. So not too bad. Last roll of the box, and we've got another 40s coin here. 1948 Philadelphia. We'll put it there, and while I got you here, we'll just take a quick peek, see if anything else is worth showing. Can't see the date on that. 86. Thought it was 30 something for a second. No such luck. Oh, we did find another 1958. We'll add it up here to the 58s. And that's it. We'll get you a wrap up in a second. All right, everyone, another box of nickels hunted. I pulled out one really clean 60s coin, a 65. I kept this one because it's a 68S, and don't see too many of those. I'll take a look at my collection, see if it's a little better than what I got. We got 14 from the 50s. Nothing really specific here. We did get a 52D, which is pretty good, and a 53D. In the 40s, we got a 1940, a 41, two 42s, a 46, a couple of them actually, 47 and 48. And really the find of the box was this silver coin, Silver Wartime Nickel, 1944, Philadelphia Mint. Not a bad box. We got at least one thing we wanted and a pretty good amount of Jeffersons again. So at the end of the day, I'm happy. Hopefully you're also happy with the hunt. And if you are, please give me a thumbs up. And as always, everyone, thanks for watching.